everyone, how are you all? Okay, நம்மளுடைய channel subscribe பண்ணாதவங்க, today is the right day. You are going to subscribe to my channel and you are going to press the bell icon too. So today you are going to learn many new words. Okay, நிறைய புது வார்த்தைகள் கத்துக்க போறீங்க which are related to picnic. எல்லாமே picnic சம்பந்தப்பட்ட வார்த்தைகள் தான். எல்லாருக்குமே picnic அப்படினா பிடிக்கும். Everyone likes picnic, right? So especially children, they love to hear the word picnic. அந்த வார்த்தையை சொன்னாலே அவங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிச்சு. So இந்த வீடியோவை you have to watch till the end. எல்லா கடைசி வரைக்கும் நீங்க இந்த வீடியோ வாட்ச் பண்ணுங்க. Okay, let's see what are the words you are going to learn today. Picnic is a fantastic word. Even children like to hear this word very much because they love to travel from one place to another place. Actually, I love going to Kodaikanal, Ooty. These are the most favorite places of mine. Okay, so let's get into the new word, which will help you and it will motivate you use many English words while speaking with others. But picnic. Picnic is my favorite word, and there are few words which are related to this topic, picnic. So how many of them are interested to interact with me? If you want to interact with me, try to listen to the words which I'm going to explain you. The first word is jaunt. What is the exact meaning of this word jaunt? So jaunt is like a word which can explain about the people who love to visit different places. It is otherwise called as excursion. Barbeque. என்னடா பார்பிகல் மாதிரி சொல்றாங்களா அப்படின்னு யோசிக்க வேணாம். நான் ஸ்பெல்லிங் உங்களுக்கு இங்க கொடுத்திருக்கேன். Just listen to this. Actually, this is a fantastic word. Actually, whenever you travel from one place to another place, if you would like to have hot meat or fish or something like that, especially in cool area. See, நீங்க வந்து நிறைய குளிர் பிரதேசத்துல வந்து நீங்க travel பண்ணும்போது அந்த ஜர்னில வந்து நல்ல ஹாட்டான சாப்பாடு சாப்பிடணும்னு சொல்லி ஒரு ஆசை வரும். சில பேர் வந்து they love to cook food outside. Like இது வந்து out of door அப்படினு சொல்லுவாங்க. Usually they call it as out of door, and they love to cook everything out of door only. So actually out of the door in a sense, like on the rack you have food on the rack. Okay, you have food on the rack and you try to cook in an open fire. நீங்க வந்து நெருப்பு வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஓபன் ஃபயரா இருக்கும். அத ரேக் வச்சு நீங்க வந்து ஃபிஷஸ் மீட் இதெல்லாம் வச்சு நீங்க அத சுட்டு சாப்பிடுவீங்க. சோ இது வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா இட்ஸ் a fantastic ஒரு அட்மாஸ்பியரை கொடுக்கும். சோ you love to travel, இது வந்து நீங்க டிராவல் பண்ணக்கூடிய ஒரு விஷயத்துக்கு இது ரொம்ப சந்தோஷத்தை கொடுக்கக்கூடிய ஒரு வித்தியாசமான ஒரு சாப்பாட்டு முறைன்னு கூட சொல்லலாம். சோ இது உங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிச்சிருக்கும். பார்பிக்யூ அப்படின்ற ஒரு வார்த்தையை if you have ever used அப்படினா try to use this word and try to explain your kids also regarding this topic. So இன்னைக்கு கொடுத்த டாபிக் உங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லா இருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். I will come with different topics and also different words, and you can learn many new words. I would like to give you some clues to find out the name of the particular vocabulary. So actually there are many people in this world, they love to travel by car. But some people, they don't like to travel. Because of having vomiting symptoms, they don't like to travel. They love to go on foot. Even after reaching the picnic spot, they may love to walk on foot. See, you cannot say that I would like to walk on foot. So you cannot make a sentence in this way. So there is an exact name for it, and exact name for the particular person you can describe with this word, wayfaring. So wayfaring is a name. A person who travels from one place to another place on foot. See, actually, I'm a person who loves to visit all the places on foot. I don't like to go by car. I love to visit, Pothys, Chennai Silks, or even, the places which are around the Pothys area. So I love to go to all the shops and I find out the best fancy items or whatever it may be. So I love to roam. I love to roam with my friends for a while. So this is really a fantastic word, wayfaring. Try to use this word in your day-to-day life. The last word is Gallivant. So it's a new word, and I would like to explain about this word. This word talks about a person who is too irresponsible, who roams from one place to another place to seek pleasure. There are few people in the world, they often get their father's property and they go all around the world and they enjoy their life in a wrong way and they come back, right? So this is the biggest story, right? So it has a very big history also. So better you can understand the exact meaning of this Gallivant is a person who spends money lavishly without any purpose. He never goes to office. He's irresponsible person. So you can just add many adjectives to explain this person, right? So try to use this word. The next word is somewhat different from wayfaring. Wayfaring is really a fantastic one. We love to walk on foot and we love to visit some tourist spots, but here you can easily understand the exact meaning of wandering. Wandering is different from wayfaring. Wayfaring, you love to do it, but wandering is not like that. There are many strangers, there are many people under depression. They don't like to sit at home and they wander here and there to relax themselves in order to come out of depression. Even people are so depressed, they wander from one place to another place without any purpose. So wandering is different from wayfaring, because this is an exact word which is suitable for a person who moves from one place to another place aimlessly. I hope that you have understood. You can find, if you find a person who is wandering around your house for long time, you may suspect he might be the thief. He has been wandering without any purpose. So if you find such kind of person, you usually guess that he might be a suspicious person, or might be a kidnapper, or might be a thief. So your guessing would be always unique. So what I'm trying to say, wandering is a word which can be suitable, which could be suitable only for the people who travel from one place to another place, or who walk from one place to another place aimlessly. So don't try to mix up these two words. Wayfaring is different and wandering is different.